Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Cause I'm lost in the way you move is all it takes.
Let's start. To make this edit, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add your one video or photo. And then add the viral clip. You can get clip from link given in description. Now set format 9:16. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set your first clip to 4.4 seconds. Now add text. Now choose font and style and place the text. Now apply text layer till the end of first clip. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.